Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, we're going to be showing you guys how to make a pizza hot dog. That's right, pizza hot dog. We're going to jump right into it. First of all, these are my Franks right here that I'm using. These are quarter pounders right here. I just wanted to show you that. And these from Member Mark or something like that, from Costco's or Sam's Club or something. And these how those look. Pretty thick. Got some pepperoni right here. These are some bacon crumbs right here. Some brioche hot dog buns. Alright. So mozzarella and provolone cheese. Some cheddar cheese, mild cheddar cheese. Here's my marinara sauce right here. I'm going to use this. This is some good sauce right here. And this is some Parmesan Romano granulated. And here's my butter dish right here that we're going to put those in. Alright, first of all, I'm going to have to go warm these up. I'm going to air fry these for about a good 2 minutes. Okay? And then we're going to put them in these bread. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. Put these hot dogs, well, before I do that, I'm going to put some cheese in there first. Just a little bit. Now, if you can hear these people in the background, please forgive me. I mean, it's not my fault, but I could have waited until they was gone or whatever the case may be. They just loud. Super loud, always. So anyways, this is all you want to do. Put you some cheese in there first. Then you're going to come with a little of this sauce. Dab a little of that in there. Alright, so about a tablespoon, or how much you want in yours. Put a little bit more over there. Okay, fam. Now we're going to take our hot dog. Sit those in there, like so. These are big ones too. So you may want to use some smaller hot dogs. I like these big ones. These are quarter pounders. And we're going to cook this, guys, for about, I'd say a good 15 to 20 minutes. Alright. So we're going to come with some of this cheddar cheese. Put some of that in there, on there, rather. Much as you want. This is really good for the kids and stuff like that. They will love you, I promise you, if you do this recipe. You can use some chili sauce, like some chili dog stuff or whatever the case may be. We're going to come in here with some of this white cheese. Just like put it on top like that. Some people are loud. Fam, they loud as heck. I hope you guys can hear that. But it is super loud. Alright, we're going to take some of the bacon crumbles. Just put some of that on there. So I'm trying to get into the making short videos. So I got a camera right over here recording also. So if you see that in there, so I apologize, but that's what I'm trying to do. So I think that should be good enough right there. So comment down below if you think I should get into short videos. I'm going to take some of these pepperonis. Put those on there. Alright. Just for good measure, we'll throw a little bit more of this cheese on there. Yep. All right. Sprinkle some of this on here. take some of this parsley flake, optional. Sprinkle a little bit on there. Now I got my oven set at 350 Fahrenheit. All right, so let me get that up. That's how you want that to look. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to put this in the oven, let it cook for about 15-20 minutes, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, fam, there it is right there. Pizza hot dog. Let me see if I can show you that up close. I need something because that thing is hot. Need something to hold it. Show you that up close, fam. That's it right there. All right. So guys, if you like this recipe of a pizza hot dog from VELDOGG's Kitchen, please give me a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell right there. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Much love and blessings.